In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to manage widgets in WordPress. Widgets allow you to add different functionality and features to your WordPress sidebars without writing any code. You can easily add widgets on your sidebar. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. You'll see the widgets that you can add under the list of available widgets. On your right hand, you'll find the designated areas on your WordPress site where you can place these widgets. These designated areas are defined by your WordPress theme. They're called sidebars or widget-ready areas. To add a widget on the sidebar, simply drag and drop the widget on the sidebar, like this. And then you can configure the widget from here. Then finally, click on Save, and you're done. You can also click on a widget and select where you want to add this widget to. Then click on Add Widget. If you want to remove a widget, just click on Delete. You can even use the accessibility mode to add widgets. We have a video explaining how to use the accessibility mode. I'll link it in the description so that you can check it there. Now, I'm just going to add a few more widgets, and then I'll go back to the website. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, all the widgets are displayed here. This is how you can manage widgets in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.